As you can see, I have a mini from Fanless mini PC Z83F, which is powered by Intel inside in my hand. It's a really portable one. It's the size of a mini hard disk, portable hard disk. That's it, nothing more, and it's weightless. It weighs less than a hard disk. It comes in with this power adapter, HDMI cable, the jackets, and a mini PC. That are the things in the box. It has a good performance specs. As for a mini PC that's fanless, it has a good specs. As you can see, the specifications are mentioned behind the box. The product model, it's an Intel Atom X5 Z8 350 processor with a 2 MB cache and 1.92 GHz of processing power. It has a processor graphics of Intel HD Graphics 400. It has a RAM of 4 GB and system disk of 64 GB. It also has Ethernet of 1000 Mbps LAN, and it has inbuilt Wi-Fi. That's pretty good for a fanless mini PC. It has a built-in antenna for the Wi-Fi itself, and it has an expandable memory of SD card which supports up to 128 GB. You don't require more than 128 GB for a mini PC. It's not a personal computer, it's a mini PC. And it has dual screen display. That's one of the best part. You can connect two screens to this little mini PC. It has after service also support.